Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about how I accidentally sold my product and actually made profit on eBay, even though I wasn't intending to do it. And I know it sounds super clickbaity, but I'm gonna be going through what happened and how I was able to make money in just like 24 hours. Again, it's not really serious money; it's just like $7.50. But again, I wasn't even intending to sell the product or like make any money from it, but I still did. So that shows how much potential eBay actually has, and you can actually make real money from this. But before we get into it, subscribe if you're new. We're only like 10 subs away from 100, and turn on notifications because I have like 25 videos uploaded and scheduled for you guys, and they include a lot about Shopify and drop shipping and also Amazon FBA, so you guys don't want to miss that out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to slap that like button. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So basically, if you guys have seen my video of how to make $100 per day with $0 down, so again, if you have $0, this is the best way to start making money. And basically what happened was I was trying to show my friend on how to make money. I told him about this eBay opportunity, and I wanted to show him how to list the product on eBay and how you should do it. And I've actually made a video about it, so if you guys want to check that out, you can. But anyways, in order to give an example, I just went to AliExpress, and then from there I just went to sports and outdoors, and from there I went to fishing. There you go, fishing, because he likes fishing. So from there I just went to orders, and just for the example, I actually used this product because whatever, it's not like I'm gonna sell it or anything. So I just listed this product on eBay, and it only took me like 2 minutes to explain it to him. Again, I wasn't trying to sell it, I was just trying to show him on how to list the product on eBay. So I copy pasted the title, and what I did was actually go to eBay and copy this, paste it on eBay, and then from there I went to sold items, and that's my listing, by the way. But I went over here and I saw it being sold for $7.50, so just for the example I went here, and then from there I just put sell now. And to save the images, I used these images, so I just saved them. But anyways, I just went to sell now, and then I just added the photos. Didn't really work on anything else. Copy pasted the description. So this is exactly what I did yesterday, and this is actually what I was showing it to my friends, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. But anyways, go here, copy, Control C that, and Control V, ignore everything else again, and then over here I just put 7.5. Literally I didn't put any time into it because I was just giving an example. PayPal, whatever, 30 days, and then shipping. I'm not sure what shipping I chose, but for this example we're just gonna choose the China thing. So from China it would be something like that. And over here again, this is $0, this is $0, and then list item. Again, it was listed like that. This is literally what I did yesterday night, and this is how I showed it to my friend. So again, if you guys want to list this item, then go ahead. And then to my surprise, the next day I checked my emails and I saw something about eBay, and usually eBay sends me like emails about random stuff, so I thought it was just another email, and it was something about something being sold, whatever. I was confused, but I was pretty sure it was not about my item being actually sold. But then I checked the email, and then I'll try to put a screenshot of it, and I saw the email, and the next thing I knew, I actually sold the item. With just like 3 minutes of work, I made like $7.50. Now imagine if you just list 5 items a day, which is what I'm recommending to my friends, and I'm actually gonna get into this now since I see the possibility, and actually put in more time to researching products. You can make a ton of money from this. I actually know someone who makes like $700 from this, so it's really easy. And again, here's the product, here's what I did, and let's go to my dashboard. And as you guys can see, $7.50 over here. Who knows, maybe I'll sell this by tomorrow. That would be really funny. But yeah guys, that's literally it. And again, with minimalistic work, without even fixing the title, I was able to make $7.50. So just put like 5 listings a day. 5 times 30 is like 150 listings a month. So just imagine how much money you can actually make if you have like 150 active listing. And this wasn't even really that profitable. So So you can find profitable products that are being sold for like $20, $50, or whatever it is, and still sell it with zero marketing, zero efforts. Like if you're doing Shopify, you need to market it and differentiate yourself and do all that. On eBay, all you have to do is just list the product, and boom, you'll make money even if you don't do anything after you post the listing.